In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop backup in Google Photos app. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up Google Photos app. Then make sure you are signed into your Gmail or Google account, and once you've done that, tap right here at your profile picture. Then scroll down a bit until you find the Google Photos settings. Just get into it, and then towards the very top you can find this backup option. If we get into it, we'll be able to turn on or off backup for our Gmail account in that simple way.